Hi Eastview families. This week we are learning the story of Joseph, and our big idea is don't be jealous. Now we all know the story about Joseph and how his brothers were very jealous of him partly because his dad had given him a beautiful coat of many colors. So we're going to get some Play-Doh out for this. We need Play-Doh for this activity of different colors, and hopefully yours aren't all smashed together and you can still have the different colors. I was able to find some. And you'll give one to each of your family members and talk about the coat and how it was so beautiful, but how Joseph's brothers, when they saw the coat, got really jealous of Joseph. And you'll take back all the Play-Dohs as you're talking about this and just start to kind of squish them together, and while you're talking and retelling the story of Joseph and his brothers and how they were so jealous of him. And when you get done, you'll kind of see that the Play-Doh doesn't look so pretty anymore. It's kind of an ugly color, and the colors are all mashed together. And when we're jealous, that's kind of what happens. The beautiful things get all ugly, and our insides feel ugly when we feel jealous of other people. So that's the first activity. There are actually 3 activities in this lesson, so let's talk about number 2. Okay, for this activity, you'll pair up 2 team members or family members, and you'll talk about how when we have a relationship, there's kind of like we're connected together, but when we become jealous of one another, that can break or damage the relationship that we have with one another. And you might talk about different examples of how we might be jealous of others. But when we pray and ask Jesus to forgive us and not be jealous, He can help us mend that relationship and tie it back together so that relationship is restored. So that's the second activity basically, and we'll talk about number 3. Okay, for the last activity, you need some dominoes and you need some little pieces of paper with drawings. They don't have to be anything special, as you can see. This one is representing the brothers and this one is representing Joseph. You could even just write the word Joseph and write the word brothers if you want. And you're going to talk about how sometimes when we feel jealous, it leads to different feelings that can end up hurting another person. So you'll put up 3 dominoes and talk about how the brothers felt jealous of Joseph. And then maybe 3 more dominoes and talk about how the jealousy led to anger. Maybe 3 more dominoes and talk about how that jealousy led to hate. And eventually put some more dominoes and talk about how that jealousy led them to do terrible things to Joseph, throwing him in the well and selling him to slavery. And so you can just talk about that even when we have a little bit of jealousy, if we let it keep going, it can lead to bad things. So we'll just go ahead and start the domino thing. We'll see if this is going to work. Yep. And so just talk about how the feelings that the brothers had of jealousy led to the actions of them hurting their brother and selling him to slavery. All right, that's it for this week, and we'll see you next week.